So first of all, I'm gonna be talking with you guys about my experience with Section 8 in Maryland, and I really haven't had no problem. I want to also talk about the stigma of Section 8. It's not just for people that don't want to do nothing with themselves or live off of government assistance. I have 3 children. I'm a single mom. Kind of wasn't by choice. I was married, didn't work out. He didn't want to stay involved with the children. So I'm doing it all alone. And thank God for Section 8 because I honestly don't know how I would do it. My kids are kind of young. My youngest is 2. My oldest is 7. So, and again, I have 3. So it's a lot on me, but Section 8 has been amazing. Maryland Section 8, the houses are beautiful. You just got to be very picky. I'm not going to say picky, but just take your time. Like, of course, you get a time limit of, how long you can look for a place before your voucher expires, and then you have to try to get extended or whatever. But it's enough time to find a nice place. Again, as you guys are going to see, this is a nice home. I've had the house I had before this was a Section 8 home. It was a 3-bathroom, full basement, 3-bathroom, 3-bedroom, full basement, a bathroom in the basement, a bathroom in my room, and a bathroom in the hallway. This I thought was smaller than my last house, but for some reason I feel like it fits me. I don't need all that space. I don't need all the extra stuff to clean. But like I said, there's nothing wrong with being on Section 8. It's nothing wrong with trying to improve yourself. I don't plan on being on it forever. I just am using it as a stepping stone to better myself and get completely on my feet. And it just helps, just in case you have a rainy day or things happen, especially being a single mom and have to go between jobs that work around my kid's schedule. The going in and out of income, it's a lot on me. So this is an amazing opportunity. And yeah, I just wanted to share that with you guys to let you guys know it is not all projects and roaches. And no, my house does not have roaches. It does not. The most you might see in the basement is a water bug. But other than that, no rats, nothing. Landlord amazing. Neighborhood amazing. I currently live on kind of like the county line. So yeah, I'm just really happy and really thankful. And then as you come down the stairs, this is the door. This is my living room.
Hi.
Say hi.
Hi.
This is my kitchen. Nice kitchen. And then I'm going to show y'all my backyard. Hold on. I have a nice backyard. Nice backyard. And I have a nice front yard, and it also has an entrance to the backyard from the front. So I'm about to take you guys to the basement. This is my daughter's room.
Hello.
It is not furnished and complete just yet the way she wants because we just moved in here. But this is her room. This is the stairway, hallway. That's where we put our dirty clothes for now until I get my hamper. And then this is the boys' room. That's Carter. That's Jabril's bed. Those are their toys. Their dresser that they broke. Their TV is going to get mounted. But their room is also a great size for them. And then this is the bathroom. This is the bathroom. Nice mirror, nice fixtures. And then this is the pantry closet. It's a little unorganized right now, but this is the pantry closet. There's a lot of room, a lot of space, lots of space. And then this is, say hi, Jabrili. And then this is my bedroom. This is my gamer setup. Let's take y'all over here. You know, my little setup. My beers. And that's a queen size, so it can fit a queen size. And don't mind my closet. But this is my closet. Again, lots of space. It's space over here too. But again, we just moved here, so that's how organized it is right now. But yep, that's my upstairs. Okay, this is my basement. Spacious. Don't mind washing, but yeah, very spacious. I also have a full bathroom down here with a nice, amazing shower, pantry space. It's really nice. And this is my tour of my Section 8 housing.